guys, what's going on? Today's Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday. I got out of work early. Still some light, so I'm gonna be installing my new seat, which was a straight pain in the ass to connect. And these rails, well, these sliders are fucking not working on the seat. So and it's a pain in the ass to like take off and on. So I'm actually gonna put the seat in a car and see if the sliding rails work. They work by hand, but with the lever is not working. Because I guess the lever is not pushing it all the way down. But yeah, these are my new seats right here. Some regular NRG ones, nothing too crazy. Just wanted something new and basic. And with reclining and obviously rails, but the rails are being a bitch right now. Got my house vacuum with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using a house vacuum to clean up all this dirty shit. Later on, I'm gonna get a rug because this is not it right now. Change of plans. I did some dickhead shit, and it took me so fucking long to put these rails on. But thank God these rails are for the passenger seat. So I didn't realize I put this side here. I thought it was on this side, but it's on that side. Fuck. So yeah, probably gonna build the other one inside. Yeah, I have no idea. Probably gonna put the other one together inside and end up just swapping it over because this has like the seat stuff on the inside, not on the outside, and it has like the other seatbelt shit too on this side. So whatever, what a big mistake. Anyways, I want to turn the car on real quick just for like a few seconds. I want to make sure my oil pressure stuff is working. I didn't even check if that was working, and I want to make sure I don't have no check engine lights on my computer either. So I'm gonna do that real quick. See how quick this thing starts. Oh, this shit starts up right away. Holy shit! All right, good. Shit. Yeah. Yo, this thing starts up right away. All right, we good. It works. Alright, my pedal got pressure too. I just wanted to make sure of that also because... Oh, I just cleaned the car, motherfucker! All the shit just came in. Fuck me. My pedal wasn't getting like no type of pressure. So I just wanted to make sure it was good. Alright, lights. Are they on? Okay, they on. Press it, they work. Alright, wanted to make sure that was working. Oh shit. I didn't even check my computer to see if I have any check engine light. Hold on. Alright. I switched the rails over. It's pretty quick. Now I have to get the seat real quick. I must say, the seat is pretty light. It's pretty damn light. Alright. This is what belongs. Now we're talking. A quick update. I gotta take the seat back out. I have to take those bolts out right there. They're hitting on this part basically. Yeah. So the old bolts that I have actually worked. So yeah. I'm gonna try tomorrow, man. The fucking rails and everything was not working. We're not cooperating. Fucking bullshit, man. I'll try another day. See what happens. Alright, what up, guys? Next day. Picked up some good bridge. Just picked up some good bridge caliber brake lines. I'm gonna do the two front. Might do the back today. I'm not sure. My dad's here, so he's trying to figure out that seat. This seat is good. It's working good. Fucking vacuumed the car. Stupid tree got it dirty again. But he's trying to figure out that one because I've done everything. I don't know. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be doing the brakes, the brake lines. And keep going. Alright, first one is done. I gotta paint these calipers next too. But yeah, first one is done. Move on to the next one. Wow, so my dad again helps me with my fucking stupidity. So, I didn't think I needed to. But there's some space, he put spaces there. Because this was not pushing this all the way because it was hitting on the seat. So go ahead, show. So now it's good. Okay. I'm telling you, the GOAT. Always helping me. Always helping me with my dumb shit. So he's gonna put that seat in. I get the vacuum to fucking vacuum the inside of this shit because this shit is filthy again. And continue. Alright, so you guys didn't see this, but I turned the car on. My third ones are going in. I called my boy Brian, going to my trans. I remember him telling me that my third didn't look. It wasn't perfect, but it wouldn't be an issue. And right now, from what I could tell, it's going into third. But when I try to, I don't know, it starts like vibrating and shit. So, and my clutch is not chattering. So I gotta see. I just hit up action clutch to ask them if the twin disc chatters because it's not chattering. If it's not chattering, then I mean something's wrong with the clutch too. Always something with this fucking car, man. Not a damn fucking car doesn't want to. No, it's not bleeding in the brakes. The fluid is not coming out, so trying to figure that out now too. We installed the propulsion valve the right way. Action clutch said it does chatter. It's not chattering. I have no idea what's going on right now. If one thing happens, everything wrong just happens at one time. Alright, so we tried everything. Still hit up Jeff. Jeff told me to do it a certain way. We did it that certain way, and there's nothing coming. Nothing is pushing from the master cylinder into the line. So it's completely done. He said he might have another one, an extra one. So we're gonna wait to see if he's around and just buy it off of him. As far as the clutch, I can't hear if it's making noise. But what I can say is that it's making like third gear is like shaking like that. So I don't know what it is. I'm gonna put the car down and try real quick. But this shit, every time I turn it on, it's spitting gas fumes everywhere, so it's dirtying everything. Yeah, look how dry that is. It's not supposed to be dry at all. At all. And we did the prop valves the right way. So even if the prop valves are wrong, it'll still push fluid. And the prop valves is literally like last because the prop valves are over there. So everything comes through here first. If it's not coming out through there, then that means that master is bad. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Jeff said he might have an extra one, like I said, so I might buy that. He has an extra one, I'll buy it off him. If not, then I'll just buy one from fucking Advanced Auto, some shit. I don't even know how good they are, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to move this car right now. See what it does. I don't... What up, guys? I'm just closing out the video. So at the end of the video, basically I was letting the car shut off on purpose because one, I wanted to feel the clutch. Two, I just wanted to see if the clutch was actually grabbing and if the gears were actually going into gear. Because you guys saw, so third and fourth gear hub and slider is bad. I knew they were bad. My builder that built my trans told me they were bad, but it was going to be on back order for months because it was during quarantine time. So I thought I'd be able to get away with it, be able to drive it, cruise around, and go back and fix it. Didn't think it wasn't going into gear at all because again, the car wasn't turning on, so I never tried to like, because it goes in a little bit, but it doesn't go all the way in. But I don't know, I never really paid mind to it until now when I went to go turn the car on and realized that it wasn't going into gear. So he ordered the hub and slider, and basically what we're gonna do, he's gonna hold it, and that's like one of the last things I'm gonna do now because I'm not gonna drop the trans now. Still need to get the brake master cylinder, which I just ordered, so I'm waiting for that to come from AutoZone. That's gonna come. Gonna do the rear caliper steel braided brake lines, and then bleed the brakes all together. Then have the car like be able to move back and forth, like make sure the brakes is actually working. And then I'm gonna go to the Bronx probably this week or next week to pick up my 3-inch exhaust for the turbo, which I'm gonna do a hood exit. If I didn't even let you guys know, I'm gonna do a hood exit. I'm still gonna do the bumper, but I'm gonna do something else. So it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be unique. So, but I have to go through the hood because I have no space at all to go through the bumper from with everything that I have there. So I gotta pick up that pipe because again, you guys saw there's so much fucking gas spitting out from the gas fumes. It's running rich because obviously I don't have the right tune. So I need that also to do a base map because the car idles different when you have an exhaust on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after I do the brake mass, I bleed the brakes and then get the base map to like drivable, like get the car drivable to do the base map. What I'm gonna do is then drop the trans. I'll do the trans all in one day, drop it, open it, fix it, put it back up, make sure everything is good, obviously, and then after that, it's just fabrication and then tuning. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I know you guys got scared by the title, but listen, that was a good ass title. Kind of wanted to clickbait a little bit, but anyways, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please enjoy. Peace out.